Here we have a Sony VGN-FZ series. It's VGN-FZ. It's got a video problem if you turn it on. The video is all chopped up and broken. There's the Sony logo. And that is the Windows pick normal, start, whatever menu. I'm going to take this apart and see if we can fix this. Okay, we have the Sony VGN-FZ series here. This is an FZ290. We took it apart. It was having a video problem. Did our repair to it, and now we're just going to see if it worked before we put it back together all the way. As you can see, it's missing the keyboard and all that stuff right now because I just want to see if this video works. There we go, turn it on, and looks like we got good video. I'm going to put it back together and test it, booting into the operating system and everything. Okay, we're back here with the Sony VGN-FZ290. Just put it somewhat back together, still have a few parts sitting out and the bottom screws out. I just want to make sure that the video is fixed and works in Windows. The little splash screens only have a few colors, so I want to make sure it stays good. And we're going to start normally. So far so good. Come on, Vista. Hard drive light's working away, so it's definitely doing something still. Looks like the video card is fixed. I'm gonna let this run for a couple hours, make sure it doesn't dump out again. Then get back to the customer. So far so good. this is the longest boot of Vista I've ever seen in my life. Obviously it's booted up into Windows and desktop and all that good stuff. I'm going to let this run for a couple more hours and then give it back to the customer.